I promised to share with us are all gone! Ethan, did you do it? Do what? Eating about the fries! I didn't! Proof? I am busy playing Minecraft. Check out my latest build! Come with me. Oopsie. It was I, Enrico, who ate up all the fries. Why? Because you always eat up the most fries when we were young. Now it's my turn to eat up all of them. But I'm hungry. Too bad. Hey, did any of you eat the fries? Enrico ate them all. Well, that's too bad since I need to use my secret potion to make the fries, but it's actually laxative.